Wet dish towels sitting on the counter drives me crazy. This stone drying mat was gifted by Dorai and it's such a modern upgrade. It absorbs water almost instantly, keeping counters dry and fresh. It can hold up to 150% of its weight in water, so dishes dry faster without that damp towel smell. It's made from compressed diatomaceous earth with a protective silicone surface to prevent slipping and protect delicate dishes. When you're done, it folds up so you can easily store it away. If it gets marked, you can gently sand the surface to refresh it using the sandpaper pad provided. So if you're looking for a cleaner, more modern way to dry dishes, this is definitely worth trying.